Enable Wi-Fi Direct on your HP DeskJet Ink Advantage Ultra 4828 printer. Locate the Wi-Fi button and the paper button envelope icon on the printer's control panel. Press and hold both the Wi-Fi button and the paper button simultaneously for 3 seconds. You should see a Wi-Fi Direct icon appear on the control panel, indicating that Wi-Fi Direct is now enabled. Print a wireless information page. Press the information button, icon, on the control panel once. This will print a network configuration report that includes your Wi-Fi Direct name and password. On your mobile phone, open Wi-Fi settings. Go to your phone's Wi-Fi settings menu. Look for Wi-Fi Direct networks. Search for available Wi-Fi networks. You should see your printer's Wi-Fi Direct name, e.g., Direct 72, HP, DeskJet 4800. Connect to the Wi-Fi Direct network. Select your printer's Wi-Fi Direct name from the list and enter the password you obtained earlier. Follow the on-screen instructions.